Today I'm going to be using the ColourPop's Bare Necessities palette to get that ombre effect that I'm looking for on the eyes to get the look that I want to create with you guys. So if you got that palette, follow along. To start off, I'm going to be using a number 10 from BH Cosmetics, which is just like a fluffy blender brush. Remember, if you don't have this palette from ColourPop, which is the Bare Necessities palette, if you don't have this one, if you got similar colors in any one of your palettes, definitely follow along with me for this eyeshadow tutorial. It's just a quick spring-summer ombre effect look. So we're actually going to go in with this one called Hustler, which is this beautiful, I want to call it like a creamsicle kind of shade. It's a beautiful, this peachy tone. I'm thinking, which eye should I do for you guys? I guess this one. Just adding this to our transition area right here. That is such a beautiful shade, so if you have anything at home that's that peachy color, definitely apply that. Alright, so now I've got on Hustler, I'm going to put on this one here called Complicated, which has got just a little bit of a sparkle reflect in it. Again, we're using the same brush. I am just going to put this right here on my outer lid. Just concentrating on that outer V shape, going towards the center of the lid. Now that I have that colored down, I'm going to go in with a nice fluffy blending brush. So I've got a ColourPop F33 blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out that Complicated color into the Hustler shade. Love that. With a fluffy MAC 246 brush, I'm going to go into this one that's called Please Me, and this is a beautiful, sparkly, I want to say it honestly reminds me of like a banana powder. It's like just like this beautiful like yellow shade. I'm going to go into the inner corner here, and we're just bringing that all the way into the inner corner and onto the center of the lid. Again, going in with our fluffy ColourPop brush, we are just going to blend that out. Going back in with our BH Cosmetics number 10 brush that we used for Hustler, I'm just going to pick up Hustler again, because I just want to darken it up right here in my crease, just a little bit. Making sure we've got that nice ombre effect going on. I'm going to take my fluffy brush from ColourPop and I'm just going to buff that out. Love that. Next, let's go in with Patrick Starr's eye popper. This one right here is called P House, and this is his one size eye popper Sparkle Vision eyeshadow. And I love this, and I haven't reached for it in so long, so I thought, why not, you know, do something with it. Alright, so this is a beautiful, beautiful sparkly eyeshadow. So we can apply this directly to the lid or on the back of our hand with a brush. It's all up to you. I'm just going to apply it directly to the lid in this case. I'm going to go into my inner corner, and I am just bringing that eyeshadow up and out. Like, this is so pretty. Love that. Alright guys, let me go in, do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, now that I've gone in and I've done both of my eyes, let's go in with a second layer of this right here. This is the eye popper from Patrick Starrr, and I just want to give it a little bit more glitter on the inner corners. So let's go in and just brighten that up. So I'm just taking it right onto my inner corner. I'm actually adding a little bit of glitter right there, bringing it up, and just applying a little bit more of that glitter right there on the inner corner. This is such a beautiful product, and it comes in so many shades, but I think this one is probably my favorite. If you guys haven't seen my review on these, definitely, I'll link it up above for you guys. It was actually one of my first videos here on YouTube, which feels like forever ago, but actually it was 8 months ago. But we've come so far. We're such a big family now. Alright guys, I absolutely love that. I think that's stunning. Now that we've gone in and added that pop of glitter, I'm just gonna go in with some mascara, liner, and lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, this finishes off our look. So what do you think of this amazing Patrick Starrr inspired eye look for spring 2021? Let me know in the comments down below. If you love tutorials like this, remember to hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.